Here's the question. 48 divided by 6, and inside the brackets, we have 8 divided by 4. Let's solve it. 48 divided by 6 is 8. Inside the brackets, 8 divided by 4 is 2. Now, let's solve further. If we remove the brackets and multiply, 8 times 2 is 16. This is the Andhra Pradesh method, which is the wrong method. Now, let's write the question the right way. 48 divided by 6 with 8 divided by 4 inside the brackets. So first, we'll solve the brackets. When we solve the brackets, 8 divided by 4 gives us 2. 48 divided by 6 with 2 inside the brackets. When we solve further, 48 divided by 6 times 2. Once we remove the brackets, we multiply. Now, let's check from left to right. So the first priority, division has the second priority. Multiplication comes after that, so 48 divided by 6 times 2. 48 divided by 6 is 8. Now, 8 times 2 is 16. This is the answer.